how you can change your group name in your WhatsApp chats. It's a very quick and easy process, so let's dive into it. But before we begin, make sure to hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel. That would help us out a lot. On that note, let's begin. So first, what you want to do is open your chat. As you can see, I have a group on my recent chats right here. I'm just going to open this group. And to see the group info, if you have this available, you can just tap right here. But if you don't have this available, what you can do is tap on this name right here. And once you do this, what you can do is tap on this three dots right here, and here you will see an option to change group name. So just tap on it. Now you can name your group whatever you want. And once you do that, just click on OK. And as you can see, the group name now has been changed. And that's how you can easily change your group name on your WhatsApp chats. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.